I am, once again, your conference MC, Darren Isenberg. I've been brought on board to tell you important things like I am, once again, your conference MC, Darren Isenberg, just so you can follow what's going on throughout the day. For an inspection of a selection of his reflections and recollections, let's head in the direction of the King of Connection, Rob Moorman. So the challenge to overcome in achieving that, Rob was telling me, is that most people are really terrible listeners. And that means that, well, something I didn't quite catch.
And since many of you are at home, you probably are just sitting there in your underwear. So it's freaking me out.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of the Ansmos Goza 2020 conference. It's great to have you back, if indeed you are back. I have no way of knowing, really. I'm just talking and imagining there are people somewhere watching.
There may be times, sometimes through no one's fault at all, that things may not run as smoothly as planned. For example, the video feed may freeze, the sound may go out of sync or unexpectedly cut. No, I'm just messing with you there.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the RSL Life Care Awards. That's true. I've never really thought about that connection between how good service makes a person feel important and how important feeling important is. Because he loves music. He annoys his theatre staff by playing his music loudly in the theatre when he operates. A lot of doctors do that. But he's so dedicated to this field that his favourite artists are the ones he plays over and over again. Artists like bariatric Manilow, gastric Astley, and of course the black-eyed endoscopies. He said, would you please fill the void with some virtual applause and welcome Dr. Michael Talbot.
Hey, excellent welcome, Darren. I'm feeling pumped.
Received a pig's ear during a transplant operation. How incredible is that? Of course, being a new technique, he had to go back to the hospital a month later because he was getting a little crackling.
And the artist though, Frankie Valli, Glennis, yes. You must have the identical music collection to me.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Darren Isenberg, and I'm feeling particularly influential today.
It is time to start our conference now.